In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Wrike. Whether you're new to project management tools or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure you understand how to efficiently utilize this feature in Wrike. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once it's open, navigate to your search engine, which might be Google or Bing, and type Wrike into the search bar. This will bring up links to the Wrike website, where you can either log into your existing account or, if you're a new user, opt to try Wrike for free. Click the appropriate link according to your situation, and you'll be directed to the Wrike homepage. Once you're logged into Wrike, you'll notice that the interface offers a variety of views for managing your projects, such as the table view or a Gantt chart. Each of these views has its own toolbar to help you manage tasks efficiently. What you want to pay attention to here is the toolbar across these views where the Undo button is located. This button is easy to spot. It's a curved arrow icon, and it's your go-to feature when you want to reverse your last action. Now, when you need to undo something, all you have to do is click on this undo icon. It's that simple. Clicking it will immediately reverse the most recent change or action you've made, bringing you closer to where you need to be if you've made a mistake or changed your mind. However, you may notice that at times, this undo button appears grayed out. This is a useful visual cue that indicates there are no recent actions available to undo. So, if you think you should be able to undo something and the button is not active, it's likely because the system recognizes that it's either not possible due to lack of prior actions or there's nothing left to revert. These are the essential steps for undoing actions in Wrike, providing a straightforward way to correct errors or adjust your workflow as needed. Remember, the undo feature is a powerful tool, but it works within the constraints of your recent actions, so the availability of undoing might sometimes be limited based on what you've done in the session. This concludes our tutorial on how to undo in Wrike. I hope you find these instructions clear and useful. Feel free to practice these steps to get more comfortable with using Wrike and make the most of its features in your project management tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.